में कापूस डाल लो।
अरे क्या कह रहे हो, कापूस डाल दूं? अरे डायलॉग मारते हो यार, क्या बात है।
But whatever I said last night, you know, I don't think I'm really apologetic, but just for the spirit of the game, I would like to apologize. And I'm coming back, but not in the group very soon. You know, I'll talk to HS and we'll decide that. और मोमो कैसा है?
मैं तो ठीक हूँ सर, आप कैसे हो?
बढ़िया है।
धर्मत मोमो।
अभी ऑफिस से आए हो यार, पढ़ के लाके
मैं भी अभी ऑफिस से आया हूँ।
चलो सही है आपका।
guys, hug it out. Momo and Dada should hug. Come on, online.
मैंने क्या किया दादा को तो I allowed him to speak, no, normally.
अरे मोका भाई,
मैंने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं।
वेलकम
Under
टू धन्यवाद।
pressure. Dhanira is under pressure.
I didn't mute him also. I allowed दादा भाई, दादा go ahead.
मोका भाई वेलकम टू धन्यवाद।
मैंने अपनी बेटी का
बहुत प्रेशर है दादा के ऊपर। दादा
मौका भाई, ऑल द बेस्ट मौका भाई।
ये चाहिए यार, ये हेडसेट कहाँ से लिया?
क्या प्रेशर है आपको?
सब चेक कर रहा हूँ भाई, कितना कौन को स्कोर करेगा।
मौका भाई, ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू शेरू, आई लव यू।
लव यू टू।
दादा आज आप स्कोरिंग करोगे?
हाँ, अरे
स्कोरिंग करोगे?
मौका भाई, चेक माय
रियल धानेरा सपोर्टर, गो धानेरा गो।
गो धानेरा गो।
मतलब गो धानेरा गो, फिनिश।
सपोर्ट है या क्या है?
जब ये लिखा गया है ना तब तक।
I know this personally.
वेलकम टू धन्यवाद एवरीवन।
अरे वो सब छोड़ो, पापा किधर है?
कॉल करो आप।
आपकी कॉल का वेट कर रहे हो।
नहीं, वो कंपनी ने क्रेडिट बैलेंस बंद कर दिया मेरा, बोला यू कैंट कॉल, यू ओनली कॉल फॉर क्रिकेट।
गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी। मोका भाई मैंने सुना है आज सुबह से आपने 600 वो देखे, फोटोज देखे और के क्वेश्चन देखे।
सर आप पता नहीं किससे सुन रहे हो सर, मैं तो सुबह से नौकरी कर रहा हूँ।
ओके सर, ओके नोटेड।
I was hanging out with your old friend and having coffee.
Old friend या renewed friend?
Renewed friend, yes.
HS, are you the host?
Wish you best of luck, Moka bhai.
Thank you.
Guys, 1 second. Guys, Mehlam will join in a bit. I'll start the randomizer for that till then, right?
Yeah,
we don't waste time. Okay. So for the first round, the first name. Abbas from Karachi. Second name will be.
तुझे क्यों पाछू नहीं बने मुख्य दो है?
धीरज. Third will be Dhanera Sanitizers. And fourth will be Smith. Next, for the fifth name, Dheeraj to begin. Smith to go next. Then Sachin, and finally Abbas. For the third round, that's the new photos round. It will start with Bilal. Remember the name. Next will be Taha Shabir. Third will be Mohammad Jodia, and finally Par. Good luck, guys. Sapchodi can continue. Mehlam?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here. Just taking down the order very quickly.
It's on the group.
Yeah, I'm just looking it online. So, welcome guys. Welcome to episode 3.
Four.
Real Dhanera supporter. Thank you so much. So we've got Dheeraj Lulla from Bookaboos, Smith from Ledgers, Sachin Talwar from Dhanera Sanitize, and Abbas Ashraf, who is joining us from Pakistan. Team Pakistan invitation. And hope you have fun. Can we move on to the first round
1 second, Mahlam.
participants, please? Yeah, I've got Smith here.
Mahlam, 1 second, yeah. I need to change my voice. All right. Yeah, Mahlam.
Yeah, Momo, just mute everyone off, please. I'll unmute
1
myself.
Done.
Okay, guys, participants for round 1, please unmute yourself. I've got Abbas Ali is there, Dheeraj Lulla is here, Smith is here, and Sachin is here. Okay, perfect. Abbas, we have some. Yeah,
Yes.
we've got some background noise there. You can mute yourself. We'll unmute you once your round is up.
Okay. Oh, okay, wait.
Yeah, or you can mute yourself for now. It's fine. Okay. All right, guys. So that's done. Let's start. QJ, can we have the rules, please?
Somebody else.
More check kar lena kaun cha? Smith, I guess.
Yeah, it's
Smith.
Smith.
Yeah, okay,
can
he's
you
muted
unmute?
himself.
I
Yeah,
muted him, but he needs to.
Yeah, he's mute
Yeah.
now. Okay,
Should
perfect.
be
Yes,
on mute or no?
Let's start. Yeah. So guys, this is the first round, which is identifying the player. There are no buzzers over here. We've done the randomizer. We've got 8 questions, 2 per player. You get 10 marks for guessing the right answer, and minus 10 for incorrect answer. You have the option of not answering. You don't get negatives over there. There is no pass allowed, and the time allotted is only 10 seconds. Okay. So I guess Abbas is going to start first. Abbas, are you ready? You'll have to unmute yourself. Abbas,
Okay,
ready?
done.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Abbas, the next slide will be your photo, and the 10-second timer will start as the photo comes on. Okay. I will not say the time has started. It automatically starts. Okay. Usually, let's start
Okay.
for the first photo, please. Let's get on with it. Please guess the player.
Adnan Akmal.
Adnan Akmal is the right answer. Well done. He's the third of the 3 brothers, Akmal brothers. Next is Dheeraj. Dheeraj, are you ready? Abbas, you can mute yourself now.
Okay.
Dheeraj, ready? Is Dheeraj on mute? Dheeraj, we can't hear you. It's better off without the headphones or the Bluetooth.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, better. Okay. So you ready? We are up with the next photo now. It will be on your screen
Okay.
any moment. Okay. QJ, go for it. Time starts now.
Don't know. No.
It's okay. So we'll take it as a pass. The correct answer is any guesses?
Nathan Astle.
Nathan Astle.
Yes, Nathan Astle, the attacking opener from New Zealand. I think
Using
he
a
once...
Kookaburra bat.
Okay. Mocha Bhai has done his complete study. All right. Let's go with the third player, and the third player will be Sachin. Sachin, you ready? Sachin? Sachin, you're on mute. Yeah.
Sorry, I got disconnected.
It's okay. You ready? We are.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, QJ, let's go for it. Five seconds.
Pass.
Any guesses? Participants?
Aaron Powell.
Merv
Dylan.
Yes, Merv Dillon is the right answer. West Indies opening bowler, fast bowler. Well, I guess Sachin was a nightmare for Merv Dillon, but it worked the other way around over here. Okay, moving ahead, we've got Smith.
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah, okay, Smith. So you're ready. Let's go for the photo. QJ.
Bloody, what's his name? Okay, pass. I couldn't collect it.
Time's up. What do you remember?
Nicky Boy. Yeah, I just got the boy part. Nicky was not coming.
Nicky Boy, spinner from South Africa. All right. So now we are done with the first set of pictures. We're going to start the second set, and I guess Dheeraj is going to be taking this one. Dheeraj, ready?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. QJ, go for it.
This guy, the Sri Lankan. I don't know his full name.
All right. What do you remember? What do you recollect?
The Sri Lankan wicketkeeper.
Upul Tharanga.
Upul Tharanga, Sri Lankan opening batsman.
Yes.
He also captained Sri Lanka for a few matches.
So I think I know everything except for what's asked of me. So, can that help?
Okay. Let's go ahead. Smith, it's your call, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Smith. Your photo will be on screen now.
No, man. Pass.
Any guesses?
Imran Farhat.
Yes. Imran Farhat is the right answer. I guess he was a left-hander from Pakistan. He used to wear a
Yes.
bandana while opening batting.
Opening batsman. Opening batsman.
He used to wear a bandana, put his butt outside while batting.
Yes.
Don't give Pakistani player to Abbas, please.
Now we have Sachin. Sachin, ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's have your photo on screen, please. Time's up.
I'm not sure. Mitchell Marsh?
Mitchell Marsh.
I'm not giving it.
No, Mitchell Marsh was actually the right answer, but time was up. This is a photo from his under 19 days. I think they had won the World Cup, under 19 World Cup that time.
He was the captain.
Oh, he was the captain. I didn't know that. Okay. All right. So let's move on to the last photo of the round, and I think Abbas is going to take it. Abbas, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Let's have the photo on screen, please.
Okay. Yep. Pass.
You've all seen him. You remember him.
Yes. That's my favorite. That's my favorite celebration.
Yeah, he's Corey Collymore from West Indies.
Yes, Corey Collymore. Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you. These photos actually bring back a lot of cricketing memories. These are all lost heroes. All right, guys. Well
Helen?
done. Thank you for being
Only
with
one
part
correct answer the whole round, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess.
Yes, and the answer was, I guess,
Adnan
first one,
Akmal.
Adnan Akmal.
Of all players.
Make easy.
Yeah, out of all players, exactly, out of all
Okay, so
players. Okay,
scores are
so we'll
correct.
not go ahead with the scores. We pretty much know it's only one team who's done that. So let's move ahead. Thank you, participants of round one. You can now mute yourself. We'll have participants from round two now.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, so round two brings us to the players here, and we've got Yogesh Adnani from Gabrus, Tahir Khamosi from Sledges, Murtaza Hussain from Team Pakistan, and Moise Kapadia or very well known as Mocha from Team Dhanera Sanitized. So I hope all four of you have kept their videos on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I've got Mocha Bhai on. I've got Yogesh on. Murtuza Hussain is on. Just
Yes.
waiting for Tahir.
I don't even want to say that. Can you hear me?
It's okay. We are waiting for Tahir Khamosi. Momo,
He's not on. Let me see.
I don't know. Is he on? I can only see 5 players on my screen.
Tahir is not on. Adnan. No, he's not there.
He's not there?
I'll call him. Should I call him?
Yeah, call him. Captains, take note here. We told you in the previous round also, make sure your players are ready.
Admin, it's a walkover. It's a walkover. Sheru can relate. It's a walkover, dude. Momo, don't call because he's your friend.
Who's the captain?
I agree with Mocha Bhai. How can anybody dare not to attend Mocha Bhai's round on time?
अरे सर ये तो उसका दोस्त है मोमो का इसलिए फोन करा अभी इंडिया होता तो फोन करता वो
भाई मुझे मौका भाई मुझे 9:15 से लोग बोल रहे हैं अंदर लो मौका भाई का राउंड नहीं मिस करना मुझे
हाँ, मोका भाई का राउंड है और कैसे आदमी नहीं आ सकता है
I am going to be on mute only. Zero is good.
Malam, he'll take about a minute and a half.
अरे ये क्या है यार?
So your call.
ये वॉकओवर तो फेयर नहीं है.
Who's the captain? Is the captain with us?
He's my team. He's joining in. He was on a call. Sorry.
Yeah, we'll wait.
चलो हम भी कल से वेट करवाएंगे.
मतलब मौका भाई ये तो वही बात हो गई क्रिकेट वो कोर्ट के अंदर ए डिवीजन प्लेयर लेट आता है तो उसका वेट करते हैं.
अरे ये मोमो का दोस्त है ना इसीलिए अगर मोमो का दोस्त नहीं होता कल दादा था कैसे मोमो ने बोला निकाल दो.
कहाँ से आता है ये सब? कहाँ से आता है? I'm not going to hear your voice on the buzzer today.
अगर इसका दोस्त है ठीक है मैं खुद
Smith just ask TK to hurry up yeah come on.
सर ये ए डिवीजन वालों के साथ ऐसा ही होता है.
We've got
I already called him.
यार चलो 1 मिनट हो गया यार. कोई रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है यार लीग का. क्या हो रहा है यार?
दादा नोट करो दादा.
अभी दादा के साथ होता तो वॉक ओवर दे दिया होता.
Guys, from next game onwards, we'll not wait. Even if you have any technical issue, something like that, it's become
But
a
what
habit
about
now.
this game, sir? Melam,
Why not
We're
this
not
game?
gonna take it lightly going ahead. Yeah, come on.
He's here.
It's a buzzer round. You can start without him.
Come on, he's here. Tahir?
Hello.
Hi, Tahir.
Sorry, guys. I completely forgot.
You want something? A watch or something?
No. Thanks.
Okay.
Sorry.
All right. Let's start. Guys, round 2. This is a score sheet with blanks. All 4 players are ready. This is a buzzer round. You get 4 score sheets, 8 questions in total, 2 per score sheet. 10 marks for the right answer, 5 for incorrect, -5 for incorrect or no answer after calling the buzzer. There is no pass and time is immediately after the buzzer is identified by me. And if there is a confusion, we'll check with Momo. So guys, hope you're ready. QJ, can we have the first scorecard on screen? Second test match, Australia's tour of England. Guess the player of the match and the last batsman remaining not out. Very infamous match of the 2005 Ashes Test Series. Played at Birmingham. Yes, Tahir. Tahir.
Yogesh.
Tahir, answer. Yeah. Flintoff and?
Pass.
Time's up. I can't give you more time for that. You're supposed to answer immediately. Flintoff is one of the right answers, which is who was the match. The last batsman remained not out was Brett Lee.
Brett Lee.
Okay, moving ahead. Second scorecard, please. India's tour of Pakistan 2006. Guess the two blanked batsmen.
Yogesh.
Moka, go for it.
Salman Butt.
And?
Can I answer?
Time's
Imran
up.
Nazir.
Time's up. I'm not going to take Imran Nazir as your answer. Time was up. The answers are Salman Butt and Yunus Khan. Anyway, -5 मिलता ना वो second का. उन्होंने answer wrong दिया था. Okay. Can we have the third scorecard on screen, please? India's tour of Pakistan played at Multan 2004. Guess Virendra Sehwag's final score. Moka.
Virendra Sehwag's final score 319.
And the missing batsman?
Sachin Tendulkar.
Okay. Sachin Tendulkar was infamously called back. The innings was declared by Dravid, who was the captain. Well, that's the right answer. But Sachin Sehwag's score, you got it wrong. The score is 309.
Oh.
Very close.
Come on.
Okay. Let's move ahead. First semi-final of the 1996 World Cup match in Kolkata. Guess the missing batsman and the player of the match. Sri Lanka versus India match.
Yogesh.
Moka.
अरे क्या second time कर रहे हो ऐसा यार? ऐसा योगेश को.
Should I say or no?
Yes, Moka, go for it.
Player of the match is Jay Surya and missing batsman Sachin Tendulkar.
Okay. Tendulkar is already there on the scorecard.
Oh shit. Kamli.
अरे यार ये.
Missing batsman is Vinod Kamli and the player of the match was Arvinder De Silva. Again, these are all famous matches. You know, Kamli coming with tears in his eyes, walking
Tears
down
in
the
his eyes. Yes.
pavilion. Yes.
-20, right? No, -10.
Yes, -10.
Zero.
Okay, guys, thank you for being there. योगेश भाई, आपको पीछे मोदी लगाना था, ये आपने क्या लगा दिया है?
क्या लगा? अरे यार, मैंने बोला पहले मैलम, मैंने पहले बोला योगेश दो बार ना.
दोनों बार मौका भाई, रिकॉर्डिंग देख लेना, ठीक है?
चलो चलेगा. It's okay.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Let's go ahead. Let's move on. Round 3.
Guys,
can we have the scores, please? Can we have the scores? Momo?
Sure.
Moka bhai on 0.
Scores are Karachi at 10, Sledgers at 5, Gabru at 0, Dhanera sanitized at 0.
Okay, so still a very, very tight match. A lot to gain from this round, especially because you have 50 points to get. And obviously we have the rapid fire remaining as well. Okay, guys, let's see if teams can build up to their low scores as of now. We've got Parth Mehta coming in, Mohammad Jodia, Taha Shabbir, and Bilal Noordin. So I guess all
guys, my team player cannot join. He has some issues, so it's your call whether to give walk or Mohammad Jodia.
Your team player?
Mohammad Jodia.
No, we will have to move ahead.
Yes.
Okay, Parth is here, Taha Shabbir is here, and Bilal Noordin. Guys, okay. All three of you can hear me well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. All right. So we've done the randomizer, and I guess we are going to. Sorry.
Bilal.
Okay, so Bilal starts. Taha is second, and then Parth gets the fourth photo. Okay, fine. QJ, just make sure the third photo is skipped ahead to the fourth photo directly. Okay, Bilal, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we have the rules, please? Okay, guys. So this is the jigsaw puzzle. You get 4 questions in the round, 1 per player. 10 points for each correct guess that you get, and -5 for the incorrect answer. There is no pass, and you get 10 seconds to guess all the players' name. You can take time. If you can guess only 3, you can stop at 3 and tell me you're done. Guys, just a second. I'll need to take this call. It's from the admin. I'll be back with you. Give me a second. Guys, sorry, I've got some confirmation over here. I actually missed that part. We had mentioned in the rule book that if a player is not available, the admins will select which player to play. So Smith, how many players do you have right now with you? We've
I've got only 3 players.
So Tahir
I've got-
Gafosi is yourself, and who's the third player?
Vaibhav.
Vaibhav. Okay, we'll leave it to HS. HS, can you please select a player who has to play this round? It could be anyone.
Okay, so basically, if Smith is the captain, why not let Smith only play the round?
Okay, fine. So Smith, you're going to play this round instead of Jodia, and you will get a replacement if at all you need it. Let's see.
Okay.
Who's Mustafa Saifuddin?
हाँ जोडिया भाई को देखा मैंने अभी.
दूसरा.
Yes, sir.
That's correct.
Jodia is here.
He's here.
Oh, he's here. Okay, guys.
Oh, finally he's here. Okay.
Please avoid all this confusion. We have 50 people waiting for one person. It doesn't. I mean, come on, guys. Respect other people's time as well. QJ, it's better to just start off a new link. Just keep it ready because we will need it. We will not finish the quiz today in 40 minutes. Okay, guys. Let's start the jigsaw puzzle. We have all our participants here. Bilal, ready?
Yeah. Ready.
Okay, let's have Bilal's photo on screen, please. Yes, your time has started.
Tilaratne Dilshan, Ashish Nehra, Mutaya Muralidharan.
Okay, so your answers were Tilakratne Dilshan, Ashish Nehra, and Mutaya Muralidharan. Unfortunately, all 3 of them are incorrect. The correct answers are Shikhar Dhawan, Babar Azam, Adam Zampa, Pat Cummins, and Jason Gillespie. Usually, I think it's your screen. Chhapa avi raha screen now, but just see if you can remove that. Okay. Next player is Taha. Taha, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, Taha, let's have your jigsaw on screen, please. 5 seconds to go. Time's up. We'll have to move ahead. Okay, so the players were Jasprit Bumrah, Gautam Gambhir, Usman Khwaja, Rishabh Pant, and Hashim Amla. Okay, let's move ahead to the third player, who is Jodia. Jodia, ready? Jodia.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ready?
1 meter 6.
Yeah, ready.
1 meter 6. अब कमेंट ये कहीं बर्थडे के कहीं अभी छुप रहा हूँ क्या ना तो दोस्तों ने जो पार्टी आ 1 meter 6.
Thank you. Time's up.
Yeah.
Correct answers were Virat Kohli, Irfan Pathan, Trent Bolt, Shakib Al Hasan, and Aaron Finch. Players who played this round can go on mute. And last is Parth.
Yes, ready.
Just a minute. Yeah. Okay, Parth. Let's go for it.
Sarfaraz Ahmed, Ravindra Jadeja.
I will give you Ravindra Jadeja. Time's up. Time's up. It was just on the clock, so I'll give that to you. Sarfaraz Ahmed and Ravindra Jadeja. Let's look at the answers. Ravindra Jadeja, Ravichandran Ashwin, David Warner, Sarfaraz Ahmed, and Mitchell Starc.
I was sure of Warner as well.
So you get 2 right. Okay, guys. Let's move ahead. I think I'll be able to squeeze the rapid fire if all participants help me being quick. Let's try. If not, I'll stop it at the 7th question. Let's see. Okay, guys. Participants for the 4th round, please unmute yourself and come start your video. We've got Jabbar Malik, Vaibhav Acharya, Abul Hassan, and Ibrahim Jodia. Ibrahim Jodia is here. Abul Hassan is here. Vaibhav Acharya is here. I'm just waiting for Jabbar Malik. Jabbar? Jabi? Yeah, Jabi is here as well.
Yeah.
Guys, let's start.
Yeah, I'm here, but I'm driving. So
Can you hear me?
I'm not sure you'll be able to see my...
Jodia, Ibrahim Jodia is on mute. Yeah, he now is unmuted himself. Vaibhav Acharya, I can hear you well. Abul, I can hear you. Okay.
Hello.
Guys, so this is the rapid fire round. You get, it's a buzzer round. You have to call out your name. 10 marks for the right answer, -5 for incorrect or no answer of the buzzer is called. No passing. Time allowed is immediately after I call out the buzzer. That's your name.
Can you show the score, Mylon, before we move on?
I'll just say it. Gabroos 20, Karachi 10, Sledges 5, Dhanera at -15.
All right. Okay. And if you call out the answer before the buzzer, you'll get a negative marking. Let's move on. Let's have the first question on screen, please. Against which team did Mustafizur Rahman take a 5-wicket haul?
Abul.
Yes, Abul.
India.
India is the right answer. Well done.
Wow.
Let's move on to the second question. In an ODI between Sri Lanka and Australia, which wicketkeeper rebuked Arjuna Ranatunga by saying, "You don't get a runner for being overweight, unfit," when he requested for a runner? Time's up. The correct answer, I would have asked it. Yes, Ian Healy is at the right answer. Dennis Lilly. Ian Healy. Wicket keeper. Okay. Third question, please. Who is the current ODI captain of Bangladesh?
Abul.
Vaibhav.
Tamim Iqbal.
Tamim Iqbal is the right answer. Well done. Question number 4. Which South African ex-cricketer is nicknamed Zulu?
Jabi.
Yes, Jabi.
Lance Kruzner.
Lance Kruzner is the right answer. Well done. Question number 5, please. Who amongst the following has not represented his country in an ODI World Cup?
Vaibhav.
Momo? Vaibhav.
Alistair Cook.
Alistair Cook is the right answer. Well done. Question number 6, please. What is the middle name of Saurav Ganguly? Yes, Abul.
Chandidas.
Chandidas is the right answer. Well done. Question number 7. In an interview in 2019, which ex-cricketer called Jasprit Bumrah a baby bowler?
Come on.
Time's up. The correct answer.
Pakistani player.
Abdul Razak is the right answer. He even wanted to coach Hardik Pandya for 14 days. Okay. Question number 8. Whose autobiography is named Out of My Comfort Zone? Time's up. The correct answer is
Steve Waugh.
Australian legend Steve Waugh. Yes. Okay. Question number 9. Who is the only bowler to claim a hat trick in IPL and BBL both?
Abul.
Yes, Abul. Time's up.
Ibrahim.
You'll have to move ahead. Take a
Andrew
guess.
Ty.
Rashid Khan.
Russell.
Andrew Ty is the right answer. Well done, Ankit.
Yes.
Okay. Last question of the night. Which bowler has the best bowling figures for
Abul.
India? Yes, Abul.
Saurav Ganguly.
Guess the. Do you know the figures?
16 for 5 for 19.
5 for
16.
5 for 16. 5 for 16 at Toronto 1997. Well done. That's the right answer. Momo, scores please before we leave.
Scores are Gabru's at 30, Sledges at 25, Karachi 10, Dhanera sanitized at 10.
Okay, guys. Before we move ahead,
गंदा खेला,
request
फिर भी जीते।
guys, just a second. All captains and all viewers who are viewing today, please make sure your players are on time for tomorrow's game and the games coming forward. Please respect other people's time, guys. We're not getting anything out of this. We're doing this for you. Respect our time. Respect my time. All right.
Okay,
Thank you,
buddy.
guys.
Thank you.